Hey guys, Jono here from Luna Technology. Today we're going to go through how to install and pair the Luna Glide. The Luna Glide was designed and engineered to motorize lightweight sheer curtains, whether it's S-fold, wave fold or pinch pleat. Firstly, the installer put the curtain up as they normally would. To motorize this curtain, we're going to go through the following steps. Make sure that the curtain is at the closed position. Approach the track at the first two wheeled carriers. Take one runner off the Luna Glide and insert in the track. Turn to a 90-degree angle. Get the runner on the Luna Glide, approach the track and turn to a 90-degree angle. Click them in. Get one side of its wing, click it down. The other side, click it down. Your Luna Glide is now installed. Now turn the motor on by holding down the black button. It is now on. To pair it to the remote, we're going to hold down the black button again up until the light remains green. Now choose your desired channel and hold down open and close. You are now paired to the remote. To now set its limits, hold down both toggles and send it from the close to open. And then send it from open to close. It has now learned its limits. There you go guys, simplicity at its finest.